Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you really quickly how you can reset Microsoft Edge to default settings. It is mind-blowingly simple guys, and it costs you only one click, so let me show you how it's done. In the first step, launch the Microsoft Edge web browser on your computer, and once you're on your home screen, simply click on these three dots here in the top right corner and select settings from that drop-down menu. On the following page guys, here in your browser settings, select reset settings from the left sidebar. Click on that option here, restore settings to their default values, and simply confirm your decision in the next popping up window here. They will ask you whether you would like to go back to default settings or cancel. Bear in mind guys that resetting your settings to default will turn off all extensions we have downloaded and will clear the temporary data like cookies and cache, all your favorites, your browsing history, saved passwords and logged in data, and all of that will be cleared and deleted. So guys, make sure you're 100% convinced of resetting your settings to default if you want to do this. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.